ayoko maging Ravenna in a sense. You know what, with them, you're never gonna win that match. Ay, wala ka talagang, bawal magyabang sa bahay na Ravenna, guys, kasi may mas mayabang pa na isa. So, pag nagyabang ako, magyayabang si 30. Pag nagyabang si 30, si Kiefer. Like, in their head, if they really don't like you, they really don't. Or if they really don't see your potential, they really wouldn't. No matter what you do, it's always against you.
Sa buhay, ang dali maging confident sa decisions natin. Mag-shift ng career, gumastos sa matagal mo ng gusto, sumugal sa love life, o yung mga random decisions na parang, ito na yon. But after some time, bigla ka na lang mapapaisip. Wait, worth it ba talaga yon? Welcome to Worth It Ba with Erica Lucas at Joel. Ang podcast kung saan pinag-uusapan ang real-life decisions. The excitement, the expectations, the sacrifices, at yung reality check pagkatapos. Walang filter, real talk lang. Mga kwentong totoo, reflections na relatable, at barkada-level conversations about life choices. Because every decision has a story. Pero sa huli, isa lang ang tanong. Worth it ba? Powered by Salmon. Making smarter money decisions simpler for everyone.
Anong pag-uusapan natin today, ate?
Yes, but today, let's talk parang expectations ng mga magulang natin
Expectations,
and
okay.
people around us, ganon. Kasi,
Mhm.
ikaw ba, parang, I'm thinking about, when you're born into a
Okay.
certain industry, pag yung magulang mo are, they've created a name for themselves
Mhm.
in the work that they do, whether lawyer man yan, or doctor of sports, or whatever, anything like that. Did you ever have that pressure sa'yo?
Honestly, sa parents ko kasi, super magkaiba sila ng industry. How about
Ako
you?
naman, my parents are both educators.
Okay.
Tapos, maarte din yung nanay ko in a way, like in very performance-based din yung
Mhm.
kanyang pinanggalingan. And then, eventually, hindi ko pinangarap, but I did end up doing the work that she does. That's very similar. In a way, nagtuturo din ako pero tungkol sa love, in a way, parang how to
Okay.
communicate with other
Mm-mm.
people. I got into performance and creating. So, ang funny how it kind of ended up, parang tinake ko pa rin yung same course that she
Okay.
took.
Oh.
Nasundan ko kahit hindi ko naman siya pinlano for myself. But what's interesting today for our
Ooh.
topic is sa ating guest, no?
Aha.
She was born into it. Yes, we're so excited. Kasi ang dami so much to learn
Yes.
about the world that she lives in. As a non-woman in sports, hindi talaga ako pinalaki dun eh. Yes, especially if you were born into a
Yes.
certain, with the name, no?
Yes, at saka yung parang wala ka pang ginagawa, kilala ka na.
Oo.
Malalaman natin yan because our guest for today,
Miss
Danny Ravenna!
Hello! Oh my gosh, that
Hey,
introduction is so fun. Hello
hey.
guys! Hi everybody! I am Danny. Nice to be here. Such an honor.
Yes, thank you so much,
so
Miss.
much.
Alam nyo, kanina pa namin kachikan si Miss Danny bago kami mag-roll nung nagbe-break pa. Pero, sabi ko, dito ko nasusulitin
Yeah, sabi
yung
ko, wait
questions.
na.
Oo, para, baka sabihin nyo, ang damot namin, hindi namin kayo sinasama
Kami-kami
sa
lang.
usapan.
Sasali na namin kayo
Yes.
lahat. Yeah.
So, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, si Miss Danny ay isang professional volleyball player.
Yes.
So, ayan na yung, yan na yung pinaka-background niya sa kanya. Pero outside the court, Miss Danny, tell us something about yourself.
Pag may time ka.
Oo.
Pag may
time
ano
ka
mo yun,
training
parang
sila
like
ng
siguro mga
training
2 weeks coming off.
Oo.
Well, I do love, other than sports, obviously, I'm a big, siguro, I love having different hobbies. So it can be, in a sense, I love painting. I love listening to different genres of music. I also love just literally like traveling or anywhere na hindi ko usually nagagawa kasi sa volleyball. Kasi di ba volleyball or sports in general, it's always a routine. So start nung umaga, may gagawin ka na, alam mo na yung schedule mo. So during my off days, I really love it na, you know what? I just want to see where this day will take me. I don't really
Love
like
it.
planning.
Structure
Yeah,
naman.
there's no structure. Spontaneous lang. So, yung mga spontaneous ko na mga travel ko, bigla napupunta ako sa ibang, wala na ako sa
Ay,
Manila.
I
Yung
love
parang,
it.
I love it.
gusto ko magbulalo. Okay, I'm in Tagaytay.
Ay,
Yeah.
okay.
Like, ganun yung mga gusto kong off-season hangout with friends
Mga
or with
biglaan.
family. Yeah, so I
Mm-mm.
love doing that. And in general, just like really spending time with the people I love.
And off season, that is 2 weeks.
Yeah,
in
max.
A year? How many times you go? Yun na yun, no?
So usually like 2 weeks yung maximum. I feel like we're so blessed to have those 2 weeks na. Kasi sometimes it's just a week. Because you have to get back in shape so you can't really rest too long.
Kumbaga hindi ka makapag-let
Kasi
go.
hirap
Oo.
bumalik lalo na as a female athlete. Our bodies change a lot. So as a professional athlete, our biggest talaga investment is ourselves. So, we're literally paid to be at our fittest level. So, yun naman ang pagiging professional athlete. And it's such a blessing to be able to do what we do every day. But again, yung discipline
Yes.
is supposed to be there all the time.
Okay.
Kahit wala ka sa court or hindi season, kailangan
Oh my gosh.
katawan mo pa rin talaga yung puhunan mo.
Yes.
Grabe yung 2 weeks lang.
Alam
in a
mo,
year.
unang topic pa lang natin, na-pressure na ako. Kinwestiyon ko na kung bakit ganito yung ginagawa ko sa buhay ko. Parang nahiya naman ako, 2 weeks lang yung meron siya.
Lahat
Sa
pa naman
isang
namin na yun.
taon, oo.
Enjoy na yun. Like, na yun. The very first day. Siguro
Sagad-sagad
naglaban na ako, may
na.
ginagawa na ako kasi
Oo.
alam ko in my head, 2 weeks na lang.
Oh, parang ako sa 2 weeks, may time pa ako ng, ayoko kumilos. Alam mo, yun, nakakahiya. Ano ba yan? Okay.
And this has been your life for the past.
I feel like I'm 26 now, but I started when I was siguro 7 having a
7.
sport. So, this is the life I knew since the beginning. And I know.
Atleta na siya
so-
since, anong ginagawa mo nung 7 years old ka? Anong
I
ginagawa
was
mo?
Boy, creative.
Wala, just playing. And
Yun.
ano ba? I was nasa artist era ako. So
Yeah.
drawing
Ay,
lang ako
artist
nun.
na. Ba't parang
Diba?
ako nanood lang ng TV?
Ikaw, ano
Ano nun?
ginagawa?
Parang nanonood lang ako
Nung
ng TV
7.
nung 7. So, sorry po. Yun lang ang kinaya ko nung 7 ako. Okay.
Na yun, bata.
Oo,
Being
pwede na
isang
yun.
bata. But yes,
Mm-mm.
coming from a family
Mhm.
of athletes, was this something that you were forced into? What was that like? Do you remember the first sport you played? Yung parang
Oh,
yun, like, the
definitely,
first time
yeah.
you held that. May ganong
Oo.
moment.
Honestly, that's like one of the siguro. Kasi I would hear like a lot of parents ask my parents, ano ba ginawa nyo? Bakit like yung tatlo nyo, grabe athletes? Like, you're so fortunate. And I obviously am very fortunate to be able to be raised by such amazing people, amazing athletes. And to be surrounded by them every day. Parang sobrang blessed talaga ako. But again, going back to that, parang my parents will just tell them na sport kasi, it will, kumbaga, if a person loves to do something, and kahit hindi sports pag mahal mo, gagawin mo lahat
yes.
to do it.
Mm-mm.
So parang yun yung biggest lesson siguro from the beginning na in-instill sa amin ng parents namin. Na if you wanna do something, no matter what it is, you have to love it. You have to embrace both the good and the bad things about that specific thing that you do. So for me, it became volleyball. I started badminton, I was 7. Tapos, before that, kasi parang nakakaya, trinay ko talaga mag-theater, acting na bata ako.
She has to write side quests.
Sabi nung,
Yeah.
kasi nga, only girl ako. Tapos I had
Okay.
2 older brothers
Mm.
na bata pa lang sila. They already knew they wanted to be athletes. Nag-basketball agad yung si Kiefer, my eldest, and then si Kuya 30, the second one. Parang alam nila na inclined
gusto
sila sa
nila.
sports.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
So yung mom ko eventually sa akin, siguro just to try different, not sports, but other fields. But I started with ballet. Siguro kung may grace ako in my, kung graceful ba
Yes,
ako, ganyan. No.
Wala daw?
Medyo
Okay,
wala
okay.
akong grace. A little bit lang.
Mhm.
Pero I also tried theater arts, yung mga acting. Medyo ako, incident. I was younger. Kwento lang. Actually,
Okay.
we have it on video.
Okay.
I'll try to ask for the video.
Oh
Yung
my
mga
gosh.
home VHS.
Oo,
I still
mga
have it,
family
yeah.
videos, okay.
So, yun, yung final performance namin, I was a butterfly.
Ay,
And then may bumblebee
Okay.
na little kid, you know.
Okay.
Siyempre, kids lahat mga 4, 5 years
Oo.
old. Kinukulit niya yung antenna ko and yung
Si-
wings ko.
ay, ginalit
on
si
the
Butterfly.
stage.
Okay.
So ako, very Danny.
Ah.
Nag-flying kick ako. So, yeah.
Kasi
So,
nga nagpa-fly ang
yeah, so
butterfly. So,
butterfly.
flying kick.
Sa
Okay.
classmate ko na katabi ko, I'm so sorry again if you remember me, ako yung butterfly na katabi
A
mo.
public
Sorry,
apology.
yes.
Kung may home video din kayo,
Yeah.
nagulat kayo sino yung sumipa.
So,
Kung nasipa kayo before, comment kayo
Kayo
dito
dito.
sa episode na to.
So
Oo.
that's when, pero, blessing in disguise, that's when my mom knew, okay, athlete siya.
Ayun.
So,
At least
pa rin
may
siya.
magandang
Yeah,
nangyari.
doon niya na na-realize, oh sige,
Oo.
trinay niya naman.
Yes.
So, that's when I fell in love with badminton and eventually
Okay.
with volleyball.
So, patunay to na everything happens for a reason. May nasipa man, nalaman na gustong mag-sports. Yes.
Kung wala dahil dun sa classmate ko na yun, wala ako dito.
Tama. Oo, wala
So,
tayong Danny Ravena
it's
kung
because
wala
of
yung
him.
classmate.
Yes, it's because of
Shout out to the
Please
classmate.
with that
Yes.
apology as well. So you first
Mm.
fell in love with badminton, right? But then eventually, kasi your parents were basketball players,
Yeah, and
I was a
volleyball,
basketball
yeah.
and volleyball player.
Yes.
Did you ever have that pressure to also like follow in their footsteps and
Oh.
do what they did?
Definitely. And my mom kasi, my mom and dad, they both represented the country. So they both played for the Philippine team. My dad in basketball, mom volleyball. That's how they met.
Oh.
Kasi, di ba, very
Nasa sports ang
pag-
true love.
Di
Okay.
ba? Parang after daw, in Rizal Memorial pa, after ng basketball training,
Mhm.
volleyball. And then my dad would wait for volleyball training to end. Nililigaw. Kinikilig na naman yung mommy ko dito.
Okay.
Pero yun, that's how they met. So eventually, like, inevitable talaga na, siguro to others, inevitable na maging athletes kami.
Mhm.
But again, my parents never really forced us into it. It was me falling in love with the sport by watching it. Even though I was in badminton, my mom would bring me to volleyball games. And then tatabi niya lang ako, ganyan. And I would just watch.
Oh.
And
walang
then,
nangyaring like
walang
question na,
force,
hello,
yeah.
gusto mo bang walang ganun
wala
Oh.
talaga. And she was really like supportive with me sa badminton, like full on. Kasi in badminton, solo training eh. So you usually it's just me and the coach and one other player. So mga ganon. And then growing up, yun nga, nakikita ko yung siblings ko, panay teammates, ang dami nila. So para as a kid, hala, ang saya kasi ang dami nila. Para sila nagpi-field trip every day, diba? So, yun siguro yung naisip ko, gusto ko i-try yung volleyball. And then, my mom was full on, nagulat lang siya, like, what? Tapos bilang, okay, sige, go. Let's go. Parang nagulat lang siya, mga first 10 seconds, parang, what? Grabe na yung training mo, ganyan. Okay, sige, let's go. Like, biglang naging super, like, supportive siya. Put me in all clinics, every coach na kilala
Very
niya.
supportive.
Nagtuloy-tuloy. Kasi as a 13-year-old girl, parang medyo late na yun eh. In a sense, like, a lot of young kids now start their sport way younger than I did. So medyo late na. So my mom really told me na, double time ka. Kasi naghahabol ka eh. Kasi you want to change. So, real talk na kailangan mo talaga mag-extra work. So, ever since then, parang na-instill na rin sa amin na, again, if you want something, you really have to work hard for it.
Iba talaga yung discipline kapag yung background is sports, no? 'Di ba? Mostly nababasa ko lang kasi hindi naman ganoon yung pamilya ko, 'di ba? So normally mababasa ko lang siya na like, ganito pala kapag from a sporty family. And then of course, na-mention mo na rin yung brothers mo, your mom and dad, and we are aware of the name. Talagang ang dami na nilang naambag sa industry ng sports. And you are the youngest.
Yes.
So how is it like growing up na baka hindi mo pa alam kunwari anong gusto mong gawin, you're just enjoying childhood, pero may expectation na sa'yo kasi
Or assumptions.
kapatid
Yes,
siya ni
yes.
Ravena, anak siya ni
Yeah.
Ravena. How was it like? Meron ka bang moment din before na bakit kilala nila yung pamilya ko?
Yeah.
Bakit aware sila? May mga ganun ba?
For sure. Siguro in high school, I was like, I knew na, syempre, my
Mhm.
family was sport athletes.
Mhm.
So, no matter, kumbaga, if in a basketball game, kilala sila. In a volleyball game, kilala yung mom ko. So, parang ako, okay, it's pretty big. But, at the same time, wala pa siguro siya sa, yung depth nung, kumbaga, yung naiambag nila sa
Mhm,
field
mhm.
of sport na they're in.
Ah.
Wala pa siya sa akin eh. Na parang medyo chill pa ako na, yung kapatid
Normal
ko,
lang. Kilala
yeah.
siya, magaling siya.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ano
Mm-mm.
sila, like, Philippine team sila since they were 16 sila, my brothers. Parang to me, part lang sila ng team. But then looking back now, like,
Whoa.
they were pretty big since like
Okay.
the very beginning. And I remember I would used to really hate it when they would say, Ravena ako. Diba? Nung bata ko parang,
Kasi may certain
yun,
pressure and
diba?
expectation
Yun
na
yung,
agad.
ano nila,
Oo.
kapatid mo si ano. Parang I hated that. Kasi
Mhm.
sa utak ko parang, sila na naman. Yung parang, alam mo yun, that's the first thing
Mm.
they say when they see me. It's not,
Mhm.
Danny. Parang sila, kapatid mo si, anak ka ni, si, ganyan. So parang, simula nung bata ko, parang, yun yung nasa head ko. Parang, hala, sila na naman,
May
guys. Like,
nakadikit agad
diba?
sa
It's
pangalan
always
mo.
like that.
Mm.
And my perspective towards it was more of like, what can I do to be able to like not associate myself with them. Parang yun yung nasa utak ko. Ayoko maging Ravenna in a sense.
So how did you do that? What were the things you did then? Nung parang, when you hated
Yeah.
that kind of attention.
I think that was also, syempre, maturity also eventually,
Sure.
you know, taught me a lot of experiences and, you know, it brought a lot of, kumbaga na differentiate ko kasi talaga kung sino yung gusto ko maging at ano yung kailangan kong bitawan in life. Kasi, like, for me, if gusto kong ma-prove sa lahat ng tao na I can be my own person, I can be successful with my own, kumbaga, abilities without the help of my siblings, my parents. May mga stuff na kailangan akong bitawan, which is, those are like, okay, hindi ako makakapag hang out with my friends all the time kasi may practice ako. Yung may mga kailangan akong i-sacrifice.
Extra work. May
Yun,
mga
yung
extra
parang,
work.
hala, like, I'm still, you know, starting college. Hala, I'm still in college. Like, gusto ko ma-experience yung real college life. Like, mag-enjoy, to make a lot of friends. But I have to sacrifice that
Oh.
because I know na I want to make a name for myself. I have to double time. I can't have both talaga eh. Kasi you really have to make your priorities, volleyball, education, and also kung may spare time ka dun, it's more of like family. Syempre, we're not together every day. Iba-iba yung schedule namin. So, yung time off ko is for them rin, which is like, helped me a lot kasi it put me into perspective na, okay, even if I'm successful in volleyball now, I can't be just complacent. Hindi naman volleyball is forever, diba? So, may mga stuff rin na, yun nga, beyond the sport, mga businesses, ano ba yung gusto ko i-invest in a span of like 5 to 10 years, where do I see myself? Like, ano ba yung, parang real life
May
talks.
adulting
Yeah,
na.
adulting
Oo.
talks, even nung college pa ako. Kasi, syempre, older na yung siblings ko. So, nadaanan na nila, kumbaga, lahat yon. My parents, nadaanan na nila. And yung lagi nilang story is, if you think you're successful now as an athlete, parang you can't just, you know, do whatever. Kasi hindi naman yan forever eh. Hindi ka naman forever kaya mo gawin yan. Your body can't take yung amount of like stress and, you know, yung pagod. Hindi naman yan when you're like 20 plus or like ako, I'm 26 now, but I feel like my body is, getting older
Iba
and
na.
older
At
every day,
26,
diba?
okay.
At 26, diba? As compared to when I was in like 20 or in college, na parang feeling ko, kaya ko
Iba yung
pala
energy
gawin
ng
lahat, diba?
college,
Kaya ko gawin
Bagets
lahat.
ka
I can
eh.
do everything, ganyan. But now, I have to like, really,
Kailangan na i-manage.
i-manage ko na.
i-budget.
Yeah, lock in ko talaga and, you know, make sure na I put everything into like, kung ano yung top priorities ko, ano yung pwede kong set aside muna.
Ang dami rin naging changes sa perspective niya sa pag-take dahil nga sa mga nangyayari sa expectation sa kanya because of the family name. But I guess I'm just curious kung dati nung ikaw si Little Danny na parang aware ka lang na, okay, Philippine team or yes, kilala mo yung mommy, daddy ko, mga kuya ko. And then now na nandito ka na sa field ng sports and you're also a professional yourself, may naging changes ba na like, nung bata ka kunwari, ang tingin mo sa kuya mo is, okay, naglalaro lang siya. And then now biglang, ay, ganito pala yung may naging shift ba sa tingin mo sa mga family members mo nung nagets mo na yung
Oh,
industry?
for sure, yeah. I think one of yung main shift is nakikinig na ako sa kanila eh.
Ngayon na lang yun. Ngayon na lang. Okay.
When it comes to like yan, mga advice when I think it's natural for any sibling to really be like, pag sibling, di ba? Pag sibling mo yung nagsabi ng advice, who are you to tell me?
wag ka
Diba?
masyadong-
Magkaano lang tayo. Parang ganun lahat eh. Kahit na
Okay.
they're older. Parang, wait lang. Parang dapat si mom yung nag-a-advise sa akin, hindi kayo.
Okay.
But now, I take it talaga into heart when they talk to me about like, the stuff na I have to do, yung parang, they know na, because our family, our setup now is very like, my other brother lives in Japan.
Okay.
The other one also used to live in Dubai. And then ako here, my mom also, we're together every day. But in a sense, our
Iba-iba yung
schedules don't
schedule.
really match. So yung mga few times na we are together, na everyone's in one house, enjoying like a meal, yun yung mga parang lumalabas lahat ng, kamusta ka sa ganito, kamusta si ganyan, kamusta yung ganito mo or like business mo. So, those moments, mga advice nila and all, I really take into heart. Kasi I know na at the end of the
Special
day,
na rin
diba,
eh. Oo, that you
no
have
matter where you are in life, it's your family talaga yung magsasabi sa'yo ng kailangan mo marinig.
Mhm.
Even if it's gonna hurt a bit or
Mhm.
sting a bit, you know na it's coming from a good place. So that's been my change nga.
Ayun.
Siguro in a sense na, yun nga, nakikinig
Credible na
ako,
sila
yeah.
ngayon.
Oo,
It's
parang,
like, dati kasi parang hater ka lang.
Oh,
eh,
parang
diba?
sino ba to?
but when did things
Uh-uh.
shift for you also? Kasi yun nga, growing up around that pressure
Yeah.
of that name, just being a Ravenna,
Yeah.
and you were like, hindi,
Yeah, no.
I'm me, I'm
Yeah.
Danny.
Yes.
When did things shift for you na parang did you decide to stop fighting it? Or you're like, I'm done trying to prove
Yeah.
something? Or what am I even
Yeah,
trying to
I'm done.
prove? Exactly.
Exactly.
What was
Mhm.
that?
Siguro, later, ito na, professional na rin ako eh. Kasi
Mhm.
nung college, obviously in Ateneo, I had 2 bronze medals and a
Mhm.
championship. And then, yeah,
Working
so
hard.
thank you.
Nahihiya
Thank
na
you,
naman
Ateneo.
ako.
Yeah. But yeah, so nung time na yon, I was on high eh. So parang ang saya ko, nagawa ko na yung sinasabi ng ibang tao na hindi ko
Mhm.
kaya, which is to play for Ateneo 1, to win a championship, another. And then, nandyan lang ako sa Ateneo kasi Ravenna ako.
Mhm.
Na parang, in a sense, I didn't earn my spot in the team nor in the school. Like, that's always been like the
Yung pinupush sa'yo. Mhm.
pinupush towards me, which is like, okay, nagawa ko na, nag-champion na ako, graduate na ako sa Ateneo. Like,
Mhm.
you guys, I proved you guys wrong.
Uh-huh.
And then here I go sa professional league na in my team, my manager is my mom. Yung,
Yeah.
exactly. So I'm like, okay, I'm back in that situation wherein
Okay.
people are gonna say na I don't deserve a spot here. Kasi kinuha ko siya from someone who's more deserving. I'm here because of my mom. Parang ganun lang.
Mhm.
Point blank period. It's all just like black or white. So now, na-realize ko, the first very siguro, I've been playing in the professional league for 4 years now.
Mhm.
Siguro yung first 2 years ko was like the hardest in my entire volleyball career, not just in pro volleyball. Kasi dun talaga pumasok yung thoughts ko of like, love ko pa ba yung sport?
Oh.
Kasi
Dumating ka sa ganung point na
Yeah,
kinwestiyon
it
niya
happens.
na.
Yeah, kasi
Okay.
parang wala na
It
akong narinig
happened.
kundi negative things about me, about my family, about my mom. Na parang, guys, I'm just doing what I can to be able to, one, provide for myself. I mean, I'm so blessed now I'm in this day and age na I can live off volleyball.
Mm.
Diba? As a woman in sport, that's such a big blessing na
Mhm.
we can be able to like do what we love,
Oh.
earn a living, do what parang yung mga dreams natin of like traveling and
Wow.
anything else, parang nagagawa ko cause of volleyball. Like, who am I to be ungrateful for that?
It's a
or to be,
blessing.
diba? It's such a
Oo.
blessing. Pero it's hard to be grateful when everybody around you and people, mind you, na have no idea who I am, my family, na parang nanonood lang naman sila, say na I don't deserve to be here. Parang, nung first 2 years ko, I was like, grabe ba? Ganun ba talaga kasama yung nagawa ko dito sa volleyball na para masabi nila na hindi ko to deserve.
Mhm.
Parang nandun ako sa stage na may inaapakan ba talaga akong tao? Yung parang pati yung sarili kong, in a sense, alam ko naman na I put in the work. I go to training every day. I make sure na I put in the extra effort para nga ma-prove ko to everybody na, deserve ko rin dito. Hindi naman ako like basta-basta, my mom is here, sure in na ako, like,
Mhm.
diba? Parang, I never had that mindset coming into like, even just in volleyball in general. Pero for others, so easily to like, remove everything na I worked hard for and just for them to say na I don't deserve to be here. Parang dun ko nga na-question na, ba't ko ba to ginagawa? Bakit ko nilalagay yung sarili ko sa situation na naririnig ko yung mga ganong negative things na ginagawa ko lang naman yung mahal ko,
Yeah.
which is volleyball. Parang why am I getting so much hate? And then, na-focus ko yun sa ganong perspective na I was playing for them. I was playing for people who don't know me, people who I doubt na they even watch. Alam mo, yung mga nasa online lang,
mga
social media,
comment.
what they see online, maniniwala agad sila, like one Facebook post about me having a bad game. Wala na, para
Lahat
ba?
na, may
diba?
chika na.
Para bang ni isang
End of the
volleyball,
world.
wala akong nakuha ever
Okay.
in my life na sobrang hindi ako deserve to be here. So, parang ganon. Eventually, as I got older, and my mom and I, our relationship also grew a lot stronger. Kasi her being my mom and at the same time my manager, parang she also had to like swallow a lot of like hard truths with her. Kasi parang sometimes nadadala rin siya na anak niya ako eh. So pag may game, sometimes pag may game, nagagalit rin siya sa akin. Parang sometimes kinakausap ko rin siya, sometimes, mom, like, hello, mom.
Are you my mom or are you my manager today?
So we had to like also grow through that. And a lot of people can easily say na, I get everything easily. Or my mom can like, she's so powerful. She's like, yun yung lagi sinasabi, super like lakas sa volleyball world ng mga yan. So kahit sino, kung sino gusto nila ilaro, popular. Like that's not even like,
That's not how
the
it works.
truth. Yeah,
Okay.
like at the end of the day, our company and the team is looking for players who will help the team win. If I can't do that, they're not gonna hire me. We're employees. My mom is an employee. She's a manager. She was hired as a manager because she can, obviously handle like great players. But yung mga tao nakakalimutan nila na na-snap kung ayaw rin sa amin talaga or hindi naniniwala sa amin yung mga owners ng team.
Hindi ka
Hindi
maglalaro.
kami nandito, di ba?
Right.
Parang hindi naman rin yung mom ko yung coach na siya ba yung nagsasabi kung sino ilalaro at hindi. So, yung mga ganon. Again, yung focus ko before was nasa fans. Yung mga
yung
fans.
iba,
Yung
nasa
iba.
labas.
It's not because I love doing it. It's because iniisip ko dati, will they like me? Will they finally say I'm good? Will they finally say na I deserve
for
it?
validation yung
Diba?
nangyayari.
Exactly. If galingan ko, if maging POG ako sa game na to, masasabi na ba nila na deserve ko? Yung parang ganun yung mindset ko dati.
POG.
Diba? Sorry. Player of the game.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
Player of the game.
And that means
So if you win a game, there's this one player of the game, which means like you were like
MVP, like
ikaw
of
the
that
best.
game. Okay,
Oo,
that game.
oo.
Okay, thank you for that. Thank you.
Actually, ang daming...
Thank you for that educational
I
moment.
love the topic talaga, no? Kasi eto, talagang very curious tayo.
Oo.
And talagang, eto, natututo tayo.
Yeah.
And sa shinare ni Danny na, ayun nga, for a time, dumating din sa point na, wait, parang naglalaro ako para sa ibang tao. And it's nice that na-acknowledge siya na. So, ibig sabihin, and I hope, ngayon, you're doing it for yourself
Of
na.
course.
So,
yeah.
now that you're doing it also for yourself because you love the game and you're also investing in yourself as an athlete, how do you consciously do it? Lalo sa ingay ng social media na ayan nga, anytime, kahit may gusto silang sabihin sa'yo, they can just easily comment,
Yeah.
diba? Kahit saan they can easily post. Pero how do you consciously choose yourself and how do you invest in yourself?
Para happy ka,
Oo.
no?
Na masaya ka sa ginagawa mo and na for the longevity dito
Yeah.
sa volleyball world.
And not because other people say this
Yeah.
lang, but ikaw talaga sa sarili mo, it's enough, ganon.
Mhm.
Actually, like, again, I'm so blessed to be in a generation wherein mental health is talked about na. I think that's one of the things na before kasi when you say, especially as an athlete,
Mhm.
diba, there are some people.
They are harder on the
yes,
athletes.
sorry,
Yeah.
pero may mga
Oo.
ibang coaches na, not even coaches, like may ibang mga tao na nagsasabi na, kunyari, you're having a bad day. Ano ba kasi yung distraction mo? Like, dapat naaano mo yan, diba? Or like,
very black
hindi,
and white.
diba?
Yeah.
Exactly. Na
Mhm.
parang hindi, kailangan paglaro-laro. Which is also true. But at the same time, it's a lot harder for, especially when you're dealing with it on a daily.
Mhm.
And then you have to wake up the very next day and to really be on, like, spot on, focus. Although that is our job, sometimes you need a little help. So, yun nga, parang for me, I'm a very outgoing person. I'm very loud. I'm very madaldal. So, sobrang obvious pag medyo I'm going through it. Kasi I'm the complete opposite. I'm quiet or like, medyo I just like shut down. So, sometimes like my teammates, easily recognizable when I'm kinda, not 100% today. Which is okay. I feel like people forget na even if it's a job, like for us, volleyball is our work.
Mhm.
But it's also okay to have days wherein your 100% isn't 100.
Mhm.
But that's all that you can give.
Mhm.
And for me, how I deal with it is I make sure na, well, first of all, I make sure na na-acknowledge ko siya. I always am the type to be like, what I feel and how I feel. Parang nire-recognize ko siya. Ayoko yung tapang-tapangan
Oo.
masyado. Kasi before,
syempre,
Toxic
ako, dalawa pa
positivity.
kuya ko eh. So,
Oo.
parang medyo kailangan, built
laban
different,
tayo,
diba? Yung
yeah.
parang strong,
Yeah.
independent woman. Pero nagiging siya eh. Kumbaga, nagiging mask lang siya. Hindi ko siya nadi-deal with talaga. So, it will just eventually like happen again and again. Not until na parang I learned how to sit with my own thoughts. If I'm not comfortable in a situation, I make sure na I speak about it or like, hindi naman kailangan laging paggalit ka or like you say it in a way na medyo nagtataas yung boses. You can easily talk to that person and be like, hey, medyo I'm not comfortable with what you did or how you did it. Like, even sa team, we're always, like kami, we're 21 players. And those 21, diba? 21 girls coming from different backgrounds,
Mhm.
different families, different environments. Obviously, you're not always gonna get along. And especially, alam mo yung time of the month, guys.
kulang
na kayo
magkukulan ng
Sama-sama pa
bola.
tayo lahat.
Ay,
Oo.
sabay-sabay
No,
kayo
yeah.
din kasi magkasama
Diba?
kayo,
Exactly.
no?
And let's say, yun nga, mga times na you're not winning games, high
Oo.
emotions eh. So that's when the challenge also starts. Kasi, yun nga, you have to really learn how to, manage it. Kasi hindi pwedeng lahat nag-a-adjust sa akin.
Mhm.
Hindi rin naman lahat mag-a-adjust sa other person. Iba-iba yung background natin. Iba-iba yung way ng pagdi-deal with problems. And you can't take that against them. Kasi
Mhm.
hindi mo naman alam kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ng tao. So it's all about like respect. But
Mhm.
what I focus on is what I can control, which is myself. So I try to avoid going to training na parang bugnutin ako.
Alam, may
Mhm.
dala-dala.
Diba? Yung may
na-
dala
Conscious
ko.
effort
Diba?
niya,
Conscious
okay.
effort ako. Kasi, kumbaga, if I have a bad day yesterday, alam ko na I'm still not feeling it today. What can I do to make myself happy? It could be
Mhm.
like a little treat. Honestly, sometimes, nag-cheat day ako sa
Yan.
diet ko. Yung parang, sige, you know what?
I'll give it
ko,
to myself.
Deserve
Okay.
ko mag-chocolate sundae. Diba?
Yes.
Na ice cream. Na
Oo.
parang I know na kahit maliit lang yun na bagay, it's my happiness. So, I'll get it. At the
Mhm.
same time, I love going to the gym. That's kind of my safe space. So, even after training, kahit pagod na ako,
Doon
I
siya
go to the gym. Yeah, I go
Oh.
to the gym,
Dang.
diba? Parang just to like sweat it out. I feel like, that's me personally. I feel like pag nasa-sweat out ko yung negative vibes, negative
Nalalabas
energy,
niya doon.
parang kaya favorite ko ang sauna. Kasi
Mm.
feeling ko when you sweat it out, like, okay, like, I'm fresh na.
Okay,
ganyan.
bye stress.
So, but
Labas-labas.
it's different for others. So, I feel like figuring it out is also like a way of like helping. I love going on dates with myself, yung mga restaurants that I
That's
want to
nice.
try. Yeah, I love doing that.
Okay.
Even when I was in college. Parang my mom always would ask me, paano mo nagagawa? Kasi she's also very outgoing. Pero yun lang siguro yung one of the things na she's shy to do. Sabi niya,
Kapag mag-isa.
is to eat out
To eat
by herself.
alone.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, I always tell her, Mom, it's so fine. Like, you don't have to care kasi nahiya siya. What if may makakita daw sa kanya na
Sana
friend
okay
niya,
ka lang,
diba? Na
te.
friend niya na parang, ba't ka mag-isa? Yung parang gano'n. I'm like, no. Like,
Na-pressure
you
si
do
mami.
it, yeah. You do it
Okay.
because you want the food, you want to try it. Yun lang. Like, wala ka nang care if whoever sees you, diba? So, I feel like
Video.
slowly she's trying to do it now. So, yeah, yung mga ganong little things kasi eventually, nare-restart rin yung, kumbaga, not even restart. It just helps you, kumbaga, take a little breather.
Mhm.
Sometimes all we need is like 10 to 15 minutes of like time just to like sit with our emotions and just to really think now, I'm in the situation, but I know na I'm not gonna be in the situation forever.
Right.
So
Ganda.
it just needs to be like a little bit of
Nakikinig siya kay
Yeah.
self.
I know, I like
Yeah.
that she's
Listen to
parang
yourself.
ina-adjust mo yung knobs
Yes.
of your
Yes,
life.
yung parang you have to really know and like parang you have to take accountability rin na no matter what situation that is, you have a role in that kung bakit ka nandyan. So it's either you pick yourself up from it or you stay there. There's always a choice.
Kasi sobrang high stakes naman din talaga the work
Period.
that you do. There's so much high pressure in showing up and having to do, like, to show up as your 100%. But it's good that you mentioned that not all the time yung 100%.
Yeah.
And then medyo nag-a-adjust ka in other ways
Yeah.
just so that you could show up and just be the best that you
Yes,
can
on that day.
for that
Yeah,
day,
for
for that
sure.
moment of your life. Hi!
Ang dami nating chika. Pero para mas masaya, para mas marami pa tayong chika, magpapaka-boy abunda kami,
Oh
Miss
my God,
Dani.
eto na.
Let's go.
Yes, magkakaroon tayo ng mga rapid fire.
Let's do
Tatanong ka
it.
namin
Yung
kung
first question
happiness or chocolate.
Example lang yan.
Baka ma-edit out pag sinabi ko.
Hindi, okay. Sagutin ko yan.
So ngayon, magtatanong kami and ang sasabihin mo lang is, worth it or hindi na worth it?
Okay, na worth it na siya.
Worth it or hindi na worth it?
Yes. So mabilisan lang, walang overthinking.
Okay.
No explanation
Yes,
muna.
mamaya
Oo.
na ang explanation if may gusto kang explain. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay.
This episode of Worth It Ba is brought to you by Salmon. Life is full of big decisions, career moves, big purchases, and everyday financial choices. That's why having the right financial tools can make a difference. With the Salmon app, Filipinos can access helpful features like credit, savings, and convenient payment options, all in one place. If you're looking for smarter ways to manage your finances and plan your next big move, visit salmon.ph/app to learn more. Salmon, helping you make smarter financial decisions.
Danny, worth it bang magdoble kayod para mas gumaling kahit hindi naman lahat nakakakita ng effort mo?
Worth it.
Worth it ba?
Worth it.
I love it. Worth it ba i-distance ang sarili mo sa opinions ng ibang tao?
Worth it times 10.
Worth it bang mag-focus sa self-growth kaysa sa pag-please sa lahat?
Worth it times 20.
Oh my God! Madami. Worth it ba mag-invest sa discipline kahit boring at paulit-ulit?
Worth it na worth it.
Worth it bang hayaan ng mga tao na ma-misunderstand ka habang inaayos mo ang sarili mo?
Worth it. Yeah.
6. Next, worth it bang piliin ang peace of mind over constant validation?
Worth it.
Very
Yes,
bad.
yes.
Worth it bang magpahinga kahit pakiramdam mo kailangan mo laging may patunayan?
Worth it.
Yeah.
Worth it bang bumuo ng sariling identity outside of your surname or your background?
Worth it.
Worth it bang tanggapin na hindi mo mako-convince ang lahat?
Oy!
Worth it.
Yay! Worth it bang gawing motivation and support ang support ng mga taong naniniwala sa'yo from day
Worth
one?
it. Worth it.
And worth it bang mag-invest sa sarili mo kahit hindi agad visible ang results?
Worth it na worth it.
And the $1 million question is...
Yes, after all the work, all the pressure, all the nights and days
Lahat na.
hours, my God, and all the growing, the question is, worth it ba to invest in yourself and all of this?
Worth it.
Hey!
Let's go.
Another guest na perfect score
Yes.
sa ating rapid fire.
Yes.
Ano yung mga hindi
Worth
worth it?
Ang gandang tanong yan. Ano ang hindi worth
Like with
it?
after everything you've been through, syempre, you wouldn't change anything because of where you're at now.
Parang kailangan ng water.
But looking
Na-pressure
back,
siya dun sa question natin.
what
Ano
were
kaya
things
to?
that maybe would have made your life easier if like
Ooh.
binitawan mo na yan? Because you're like, no, hindi to worth it.
Siguro for me.
Kinilangan niya
Hindi,
uminom ng
kasi,
tubig. Ano yun?
Siyempre ako, like, growing up, like what I said, I was trying to like avoid, my family, whatever. So I would always seek validation from another person na, alam mo yun, yung parang feeling ko, dapat may mundo kami na kami lang. So, in a sense, like, yung mga love life ko from the past, it's always just like, parang wrong intentions ako. It's always to keep me away from my family in a sense na gusto ko kami lang. Gusto
May
ko,
sariling
gusto ko may
something.
sarili kaming mundo. Gusto ko yung partner na kami lang talaga. When we hang out, kami lang. When,
Bye,
yan, yung parang mag-give ng advice yung parents ko or like, hindi naman siya like bad influence. It's not that. It's more of like, mas nasa
Parang
side niya
makahinga
ako.
ka lang.
Yeah, mas nasa side niya ako. It's always ganun yung hanap ko in a partner. So, always says like, kumbaga, hindi ako kinokontra. So, hindi siya under pero it's more of like, ano yung gusto kong marinig. Yun yung sometimes nasasabi niya. And honestly, like growing up, syempre, mas na-encounter ko yung mga tao na in a sense, gusto ko yung ngayon. Gusto ko yung parang na bibigyan ako ng another perspective about like different things. I really do appreciate. Even, not just in love life, like even with friends. Parang I like being surrounded with people na are much more successful than me or, dealing with
different kinds of like situations in life I'm not familiar with. Kasi I think that's when growth can come into play, is when you're in a situation, or not even situation, when you're in a room full of people na you're not familiar with but are successful. Kahit hindi sports, kahit anong field yan, basta
Para may matutunan.
oo, may matutunan ako. Parang I really love putting myself in that room. Kahit I don't feel small, honestly.
That's
I feel
nice.
like I'm a student learning. Kasi sometimes nagiging yung world natin ngayon, it's very like competitive. Yung parang kailangan may mas successful, may mas angat.
Ang bilis-bilis
Diba?
lahat.
And then,
yeah.
Hindi ka na nagiging happy kung saan ka. Kasi kaka-compare mo sa ibang tao. And like, kahit sa akin, I'm 26, parang may mga batchmates akong kasal na, may mga batchmates akong, ang dami ng businesses, may mga batchmates akong naka-travel na sa ibang like places sa mundo na dream ko. And I'm still here playing volleyball. Parang pamisa, parang, hala, I'm still here. But like, meron ba akong kulang na ginagawa? But at the end, parang, no, I'm where I'm supposed to be. I love what I do. And if I have another goal in life, I'm gonna work hard to be able to reach those goals.
So that same
Diba?
mindset.
It doesn't have to be like, I don't have to like, in a sense, be not jealous, but be a little parang, ala, bakit siya may ganyan, ako wala? Yung parang, it's always like comparing. Kasi that's when happiness is removed, when you start comparing your life to others. So, hindi ka talaga magiging masaya pag ganun ka mag-isip. And
Hindi siya worth it.
Yeah.
Napaisip ako,
Yun
that's
yung
not
hindi
worth
worth it. Is if kino-compare mo yung life mo dun sa life ng iba.
And if you close yourself off to other
Yeah.
Hindi
opinions,
siya worth
no?
it.
Oh, what
Hindi
I'm
worth
also curious about, no, is you were born into this industry, and that's basically your entire life, no? Was there ever a moment where you were like, pangarap ko ba talaga to? Or na-brainwash lang ako ng mga tao around me? Ito lang yung inikutan ko, kaya ako siya naging pangarap.
Yeah. Siguro more on like, hanggang kailan na lang ako dito? Yun yung naging question ko. Diba? Parang, hanggang kailan na lang kaya ako dito? Kasi masyado na nagsasabi na di naman ako magaling, di naman ako, alam mo yun, yung parang ang dami mas magaling sa akin. Which is for me, that's true. Like, I honestly think na players are getting stronger and stronger. But, my love for the sport is much stronger and bigger than their opinions.
So that's how you took
So
ownership of
so
that.
that's how
Oh.
I wake up every day, motivate myself na I want to be better. It's not because gusto i-prove yung mga tao wrong, but because I know na mahal ko yung ginagawa ko. I do anything to be able to be here still, playing volleyball and doing what I love to do. And kailangan ko talaga na i-prove yan sa sarili ko na gustong-gusto ko, which is again, love for volleyball is always gonna be in my heart, and that's my biggest motivation. It doesn't matter if like 50 people are against me, as long as I have my family and my 10 friends with me cheering me on, that's good enough for me. So,
Yun yung anchor.
And that's nice kasi super naging self-aware din siya through the journey na hanggang
For
sa
sure.
umabot siya sa pagiging pro player. Pero at this point of your life, how do you ground yourself? Especially now na na-acknowledge mo na okay, dapat hindi ako nakikinig sa mga sinasabi sa akin. Especially ng mga taong wala namang idea sa ginagawa ko. Especially sa mga taong hindi naman sila yung pumapalo ng bola.
Hindi naman kayo nagbigay
Oo.
sila.
Hindi naman kayo yung nag-set.
Every
Ba't yung sa akin
day.
pinapaspike?
6
Parang
a.m.
ganon.
every day.
6 a.m. every day gumigising.
Oh gosh.
Oo. So how do you ground yourself sa ngayon na ganito na rin yung mindset mo and you know what you know now?
Yeah. First talaga is humility. I feel like my relationship with God, like I'm not the most prayerful person in the room, but I always make sure na even if I'm so, in a sense na parang I'm getting what I've been praying for, yung mga games, I have a good game, or lahat, daming blessings overflowing, I make sure na I'm still grounded by just, praying still. Kasi sometimes, diba, when we ask for something, parang grabe tayo mag-pray. Grabe. Ako, personally, I am that. Parang, Lord, please, sana ganito, sana
Ibigay mo
ganyan,
to.
sana dumami pa yung opportunity, sabi ganyan. And then when I actually get it, parang there are times na,
Okay, next.
okay,
ganun.
next, diba? Yung parang,
Okay.
another one. Yung parang, I feel like, those things or times na yon, or especially when we're so like blessed and fortunate to be able to do what we do, parang I take my time now to really be grateful. Yun yung one of the things that my parents would always instill in us is humility and being grateful. Kasi I'm so privileged to be able to be part of the family na I'm in, to be able to be surrounded with people na I admire so much, and to be able to do what I love to do. So, humility and gratefulness talaga, yung all of us in the family, yun yung parang may make sure na we're still, our feet are on the ground, we're still, even if marami nang na-accomplish, that's still not the time to be like, I'm this person,
Yeah.
I'm so successful, you guys have to listen to me, like, yun yung parang, i-humble ka talaga, especially with, like, again, with 2 older brothers. Ay, wala ka talagang, bawal magyabang sa bahay na Ravenna, guys, kasi may mas mayabang pa na isa. So, pag nagyabang ako, magyayabang si 30. Pag nagyabang si 30, si Kiefer. So, at the end, parang it's always been like, humble and being grateful.
Gratitude talaga.
I can't imagine having this kind of pressure na parang pinanganak ka pa lang, the pressure is born with you. Diba? Na parang, gusto ko palang matutong umiyak or uminom ng gatas, matututo pa lang maglakad.
Yeah.
Gusto yun na akong maglaro. Parang ganon, diba?
Honestly, it's also a bit confusing Kasi, like, nung times na I was, let's say, in Ateneo, nag-champion kami. Before naman na nakuha yung championship na yun, it's always like, but kasi nandyan si Ravenna. Diba? It's always like that. And then, nung nag-champion na, hindi kasi dahil sa kanya. It's because, yung parang, it's always shifting. So,
You never win.
Exactly. So, that's when I realized, you know what, with them, you're never gonna win that match. Like, in their head, if they really don't like you, they really don't. Or if they really don't see your potential, they really wouldn't. No matter what you do, it's always against you. So, why would I play for those people? Kesa na parang, doon na lang ako sa taong naniniwala sa akin. Bakit ba motivation ko yung mga hindi naniniwala? Paano yung mga naniniwala? So, yung ganong shift in perspective has been such a pivotal had played a pivotal role sa life ko. Kasi that is always proving something to like people na don't believe me. But then, naging ako parang, teka, bakit kayo pa rin yung focus ng buhay ko? Kayo na nga may ayaw. Diba? Kayo na nga may ayaw sa akin. Kayo pa iniisip ko. Medyo,
Masyado na maraming attention
parang masyado
yan.
na kayong swerte pag ganon. So, yun, parang again, it's all about like who I'm playing for, why am I doing this for myself, my family, my friends, the people that I love, people who believe in me. Parang, even if they're a lot fewer than those who don't, I don't care. Kasi, mas fulfilling siya sa akin pag naging successful ako. Kasi alam kong yung mga taong kumapit sa akin are a lot fewer, but it
They're
makes it
real.
more special. Sa bunso, parang I had a hard time really listening to their advice. So, dun ako natuto is when they really would like tell me, oh, Danny, like, wala ka pang investment. Ano man na, 3rd year man na sa pro diba?
The
Yung parang-
conversation.
and then, lagi siya, syempre as a woman, there's always like, if you get pregnant, you're stopping for 9 months. Diba?
They just slapped you with the truth.
Exactly. Na parang, ikaw, if you raise your family, wala ka ng volleyball, hindi naman pwedeng 9 months ka na you expect na bayad ka pa rin. Kasi you'll never know
Right.
Some companies, diba? I mean, no matter what, may leaves. But it's kind of hard to have that in sports.
Yeah.
Kasi, why would they pay you when you're not playing?
Ah.
Pero diba, may mga ganun. Although, a lot I'm so blessed sa company namin. We're still supported no matter what. But in a sense, reality talk lang to So, yung mga situations na you really have no full control, they're putting it on the table when they talk to me. Na parang, let's say you wanna have your own family now. Like, ano investment mo? Hindi naman madaling, alam mo yun, hindi man madali mag-raise ng child. Or not even that. Ikaw, support mo sa sarili mo. If you wanna live alone, now I live with them. I used to have like a condo by myself. I tried it out, independent, yung ganon. Kahit yung condo ko, 10 minutes away lang sa bahay namin.
She
Para
tried.
matry.
Yung
Para
laundry,
matry.
yung
Yes.
laundry ko,
Dinadala
Sa
doon.
bahay pa rin. Oo.
Inauwi sa bahay. Grocery,
so,
10 minutes away
independent na ako doon. Trinay ko lang talaga. And
sobrang fun.
Parang ilang months
Diba?
lang tumagal to.
Parang-
Oo.
Ano sabi ng mom ko, sure ka ba dyan sa independent? bakit yung damit mo nandito sa laundry?
Parang kulang na yung
Diba?
salt, yung ano
Parang
niya, yung
masabi
suka
lang
niya.
na independent.
Na-try
Ganun.
lang. Okay.
Okay.
Ayun, na-try ko naman. And then that's when I knew, okay, I really have to like do something. Kasi, again, my parents are not gonna be able to like, alam, saluhin nila ako forever in their life.
Right.
Gusto ko rin na na-enjoy nila yung pera nila na when they're older. Kasi
True.
nagawa na nila yung trabaho nila eh. Napaaral na kami.
Yes.
Enjoy
Nagtatrabaho
retirement.
na kaming tatlo.
Mm-mm.
Alam mo yun, technically, they don't owe us anything anymore. So, I have to change my mindset and to thinking na, it's really just me at the end of the day. Na, although my family's there, I have to make something for myself. And that's beyond volleyball. So, what my brother did, actually, wala akong choice kasi sinali niya lang talaga ako. Para we invested in this company na, it's just like a simple halo-halo store. And
I love that
nag-franchise kami.
I love
yeah.
that. Hala.
So, yun yung very first investment ko. And now, it's just like growing. So, we're trying to look for another like place, another stall. So, yung mga ganong little things, like my brother, I'm so fortunate na patient sila sa akin.
May
Like,
nag-guide.
yun yung point. Yung
Mm-mm.
parang di na nila ako tinanong, Danny, ano ka dito? May porsyento ka dito. Ito yung kailangan, ganito, para kasama ka sa, sa business.
I love that.
So, I'm very fortunate na ganun
May
mag-isip yung
nag-guide.
isip. Kasi sabi na, kung hindi mo to isa-start, maubos lang talaga yung pera mo. And knowing me, mangyayari
Knowing I'm a self-aware queen.
Kasi, kaya ba, exactly. Parang ako, lagi kasi akong sad. Kaya gusto, charot. Excuse ko lang yun. Mama, sad ako, kain tayo sa labas. Yung parang, very deep inside, I know naman na, I can't just do that. You know, at the end of the day, contractual yung trabaho ko.
Love that. Thank you so much for sharing all of that.
Yes, what a conversation.
Yeah, and para sa mga nakikinig sa amin, if they wanna follow you on your journey as well, where can they find you?
Well, first of all, I want to say thank you for having me.
Thank you!
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, hala, natakot na ako simula pa lang guys, so hindi pa nag-record. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, parang feeling ko, ay, tagal ko magsasalita. And yeah, so, partida pa yung nag-usap na kami doon Diba? What
We
more?
love it.
Pag hindi kami nag-usap, mas
love a
mahaba.
yapper.
But again, thank you so much for inviting
Thank
me.
you.
And hope if you guys want to watch our volleyball games sa PVL, representing Akari Chargers. So yeah, thank you again for everybody who's like tuned in, and yeah, sana dumami pa yung episodes natin.
Yes,
lahat.
Lord, thank you
And
so much.
more blessings for everybody.
And what are your social media handles? Para they can
It's
follow
Danny
you?
Ravenna plus 2 A's more on Instagram, and it's Danny Ravenna on TikTok.
Yes!
Thank you so much, Danny.
Baka yun, after volleyball, maging yan.
I-message you si
Makita
Danny.
niyo ang gumagay.
Ang dami, ang daming dala ng pressure no, of
Mhm.
having to grow up around that industry. But then there are also there's so much gift and a lot of learnings from those that who have paved that way as well. And might as well learn from these
Yeah.
people, no? Ang ganda. And that is what you do, no? Parang tuloy-tuloy lang, and you explore what's there and approach everything you do with heart.
Yes. Oo.
No?
Talagang stand up for yourself, 'di ba? Kahit sabing anong sinasabi ng mga tao sa paligid, nakita naman natin sa story ni Danny na talagang one day she chose herself and talagang she stood firm kung sino siya. We love that. Mhm.
Parang yun yung choice niya. I think that's important. Yung ownership of
Yes.
her choices.
This is
And-
my life.
Yeah, this is my life. I am accountable for this.
Mhm.
But yeah, speaking of these big life decisions, if you're making choices, big choices for yourselves, whether that be in sports or anything related to that, shout out naman and thank you to Salmon for supporting this podcast.
Yes, thank you so much, Salmon app. If you're looking for smarter ways to manage your finances, guys, sa mga ka-enough natin dyan, you can
Yes.
check out the Salmon app.
Yes, download it at salmon.ph/app.
Yes, and after all the pressure,
After all the proving themselves.
our question is, worth it ba?
I think it's very, very much worth it.
Mhm. Welcome to Worth It Ba?
This has been Joelle.
And this has been Erica. Bye mga ka-enough.
Life is really just a series of decisions. Some amazing, some questionable, but every single one teaches you something. This has been Worth It Ba with Erica Lucas and Joelle. The views and opinions shared in this podcast are based on the personal experiences and perspectives of the hosts and guests. These conversations are meant for storytelling, reflection, and entertainment purposes only. They should not be taken as professional financial, legal, or life advice. At the end of the day, every decision is personal, so always consider your own situation before making one.